Assalamu alaikum. Again, welcome to Hassan Homeopathic official YouTube channel. Again, welcome. I want to talk about a topic that many number of ladies and many number of men are struggle with milk production during baby feeding. As a homeopathic doctor and as and with many number of many year of experience in this field, I have discovered an amazing solution that might just a game changer in your life with homeopathic medicine. You might be wondering what exactly is homeopathic medicine recover, what exactly is homeopathy, and as well, and it is a natural form of medicine that stimulates the body on healing response. It is very safe, gentle, and can be used by breastfeeding mom without any worries. When it comes to milk production, there are few key homeopathic medicine, key homeopathic remedies that can be really help, that can be really boost your supply of milk. One of the favorite remedies called pulsatilla. It is a lady's medicine. Pulsatilla. It is derived from a plant and has been used from centuries to support location, lactation. Pulsatilla can help regulate your hormones and improve your milk flow, making it easier for your little one to feed. Another fantastic remedy, singer remedy, is called calcarea carb. Calcarea carbonica in uh, uh, 30 or 200 pences as your doctor prescription. This one is especially useful if you are experiencing a decrease in milk production due to stress or exhaustion and any tension. It helps restore your balance in your body, in your hormones, in your stress, in your uh, tension. Uh, it is a very body promoter and promote healthy milk supply in your body. Now, some of you might be skeptical about homeopathy, but trust me, it has worked wonder for countless mom out there. Many have reported significant improvement in their milk production after using homeopathic remedies and other more medicine of allopathic and herbal. But remember, uh, homeopathic medicine is not a quick fix. It takes time of your body to respond, and for the remedies to take effect. So be patient and consistent with your treatment. Of course, it is always important to consultate with a qualified homeopathic doctor, qualified homeopathic physician, or healthcare professional before starting any treatment and any medicine and any other medicine, herbal or allopathic. Guide you on the right dosage and frequency based on your specific need. So, if you are struggling with milk production while breastfeeding, why not give homeopathy a try? It is natural, safe, and could be the missing pieces in your breastfeeding. It is very natural and very useful and very effective medicine. Please try it and uh, uh, contact your nearest homeopathic physician, nearest homeopathic doctor. Uh, Next time, I will meet you in another video. Uh, Allah Hafiz, inshallah. Next video, I will meet you with another beautiful topic. Allah Hafiz.